Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I would like to share you how to use this Cuzi AI to generate the image. How to do that, so without any further ado and let's get into the tutorial. Well, let's introduce again about the another AI that will help us to generate the image. And here I will use this Cuzi AI. Please correct me if I'm wrong how to pronounce this Cuzi or Cuzi AI. But this time, let me pronounce it into the Cuzi AI. Thank you. And here I will access it with my Google Chrome or via PC to get more spacious view. And you can searching for this Cuzi AI like this, and this will be the first recommendation that will pop up into the first page or the first section. And since we would like to try this AI to generate or create the image, you can simply click this, and don't forget to do the login first with your email, guys, because for the new user they will give you 18 credits and it will be renewed every single day. Thank you very much, QZ AI. And as you can see, this is the opening of this QZ AI after I did the login or the sign up. And as you can see that this QZ AI will help you not only to generate the image but also being the video generator and also the music generator. And if you scroll down, there will be a lot of creations from another user. So I will try to generate or create the image here, AI image generator. And as you can see, they will give you the example to generate the image like this. Black Forest Gateau. Make spelling out the words flux one on one pro tasty food photography. And the result will be like this, guys. For example, if I would like to download this creation, and okay, there will be with and without the watermark. And for example, I would like to generate a picture, a donut made from the straw crystal. It is placed on the plate on the black acrylic plate. It the donut shows the shine and the color is red. And this will be, for example, my prompt, and the image shape or ratio here I will choose, for example, 3 and 4. And I prefer to, let's try if I would like to make it into the realistic look. And for this AI engine, okay, there are Flux Schnell, Dev, and Pro. As you can see, for this Schnell will consume 1 credit, and for the Flux Dev will consume 5 credits, and it needs to be upgraded into the premium version. And for the Flux 101 Pro, it will consume 8 credits, and also just like the Flux Dev, it needs to be upgrade it into the premium version. So I will keep it into the functional, and the page size I will keep it into 1. And for the fine tuning, okay, I will choose not now. And as you can see, there are the credits. The left I have now, it's 18 credits, and I will continue to generate it, and kindly wait for the result on the right section, guys. And if you have any another AI that can do the same as this Cuzi AI, please don't worry and suggest us on the comment section, because we would love to see your comments there and create a video in another version. So after waiting for a while, so this is the result, guys. Okay, there is the Cuzi AI watermark over here. And for example, if I would like to download it, okay, the picture is very crystal clear, but I think I need to do better with my prompt in this section. So that's all, guys. I hope this video finds you helpful, and don't forget to try this QC AI to create your own project. And if you have any another request or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment down below, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.